Dear students, I hope you might be okay in your respective homes. The pandemic COVID-19 is mounting huge amount of pressure on the globe. Around the globe, 77 lakh people are infected. In India, 9,000 people approximately died because of it. In UT of J&K, its threat is gaining wild pace. It is better for us to remain inside our homes and remain stick to our books so that this COVID infection can't affect us. Government is devising a policy to conduct the examinations of students online. It is better for you to remain in home confinement, do concentrate on self-studies so that you can prepare yourself well for the coming examinations. It is class 11th subject English, the youth and the task ahead by Dr. Karan Singh. In this same chapter, a lesson Dr. Karan Singh addresses youth, the youth of the present day, that after a long struggle, we finally got freedom from the British imperialism, and we should not take it for granted. We have to keep ourselves ready always to defend our country, to sacrifice for our country, to do something in the nation building. Dr. Karan Singh wants to address youth that you are only the power of our country and you should utilize your full strength in defending the country, in boosting economic stability of the country, in safeguarding the country, in keeping the security of the nation in mind. Most of our youth are in universities and in colleges. They are engaged in different academic fields and they should gain highest academic this highest education highest education so that in this challenging world we can compete and we can go ahead smoothly. He is also addressing to the scientists that they should work hard in their field and they should not participate in the political affairs of the state because their work is only to make scientific researches, and our country should be very advanced in the scientific technologies. One more thing is there that there should be national cadet corpus where the youth must have trainings to be physically fit to render their service to defend our nation in case of any aggression. Dear students, Dr. Karan Singh wants to tell us we should build this spiritualism in us and dynamism in us. And spiritualism does not mean it's a religious spiritualism. It is a golden line of unity that binds all religions together and all work no matter what our his religion is or no matter what our her religion is, and all should basically work for the national building and work for the entire India. Dr. Karan Singh wants to say that it is dynamism and divinity, spiritual divinity that should govern our hearts, govern our soul, and there should be complete unity no matter to which community, to which caste, or to which religion we belong. And youth should always be optimistic in approach. They should promote unity among the all so that the coming challenges that the nation is facing at present, a nation would face in the future should be overcome very easily. Dr. Karan Singh wants to say that the fate of the nation lies in the hands of youth. They should work hard in every field, whether it is a military service, whether it is academics, whether it is scientific field, whether it is military field. So all the fields mm, lie in the on the shoulders of the youth, and youth should take part in the national building of the our state, that is our country. The theme of this essay is that we have gained independence from the British imperialism. We were under British domination for a longer time, and it is duty of youth, because youth are more energetic, to go for the economic, political, and rest stabilities of the country, so that in this challenging world our country will proceed ahead in every field, whether it's a political field, it is economic field, it's cultural field, and we will show superiority in all the fields of life. Dear students, in a video of 5 or 6 minutes, we can't upload the things for you in detailed manner. Books of English are with you. Some good reference books of English are with you. Do see these things on your reference books and textbooks of English, and you shall also get very good concept to yourself. In case any query strikes to your mind, do call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number, and your query shall be answered within very short time. Before leaving my class, I am advising you to remain inside your homes. Do concentrate on self-studies so that your valuable time may not get wasted. It is pandemic outside, and you need to save your life first, and then should give preference to the rest of things. But remaining in home confinement will definitely save you from this novel COVID-19. Thanks, and be blessed.